Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will create a swiper slider with smooth image transitions and 3D effects. This slider features a cover flow effect, dynamic pagination, and interactive animations. Also, we can navigate by dragging with the cursor or using the mouse wheel. Let's get started. First, let's go over the HTML. We'll start by adding the Swiper CDN to include its functionality. You can find the link in the description for more details. Inside the body, we have a div with the class slider container. It contains the Swiper slider. The slider includes dynamic pagination, which displays navigation dots. Each slide consists of two divs. The first one, Image Wrapper, holds an image. The second one, Container, includes a heading. We enable lazy loading for images to improve page performance. This ensures images load only when they come into view. Now let's move on to the CSS. In this part, we'll create image transitions and add media queries for responsiveness. We'll use the Nunito font for the headings. Flexbox is used to center the slider, and we set a gradient background. We set a fixed size for the slider container to ensure that only 3 slides are visible. However, Swiper will automatically adjust this view on smaller screens. Each slide has a fixed width and height using the aspect ratio property. By the way, I added this background image in the description so you can download it. We use Backdrop Filter to create a soft blur effect. The active slide has an additional box shadow to enhance focus. The heading inside the container is positioned at the bottom and centered horizontally. By default, it is hidden with an opacity of 0. It smoothly fades in when the slide becomes active. The image doesn't fully cover the slide, allowing the edges of the background image to remain visible. On active slides, images shrink into a circular shape. The pagination bullets are round and have a purple color. Finally, we add media queries to make the slider responsive. We adjust the slide and image width and reduce the size of the pagination bullets. Now, let's add functionality to the slider. This function ensures all images are fully loaded before initializing the Swiper slider for smooth performance. The initial slide is set to 2, making the third slide active by default. The Centered Slides option keeps the active slides centered. The slides per view is set to auto, allowing Swiper to determine how many slides to show. We enable dynamic bullets, which makes the active pagination bullet larger. We add a feature to allow scrolling with the mouse wheel. The cover flow effect is also used for this slider. We use rotate to tilt the slides, stretch to bring them closer together, and depth to create a 3D effect. And that's it! We have a Swiper slider with smooth transitions and a 3D cover flow effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tutorials. Thanks for watching!